Zhejiang University Team 1 has placed their robot on the table. They've got 1 minute for final preparations before their picking time will begin. If you guys are ready to go, you can start it at any time. Whenever you're ready. Yep. Yep. Whenever you're ready. All right, they've turned their robot on, and it is off. So let's pick the first two red apples. Blue apple is dropped. Left green. Picked and held a blue. Left the green. Appropriately knocked off a diseased blue apple. So in their hopper, you can see that in general, or for the majority, they've got red apples, but they've got a diseased one and a green unripe apple. Appropriately dropping off that blue diseased apple again. They're on their final pass. They've got lots of time left. They're definitely going to finish within the 5-minute window. And they are done. So that was 1 minute and 4 seconds. 1 minute and 4 seconds, definitely within the 5-minute picking window. Just one other fine detail, if there is a tie in terms of the points that they get from picking the apples, the tiebreaker will go down to time, whoever was the quickest. So we're still setting up the advanced board, but our next advanced competitor will be from the University of Florida.